Welcome, my name is Tobias Zimmer, and today I'd like to talk about the FastFrame. The FastFrame is actually a universal holding frame for air filters. But there's something specific about that product. The FastFrame is, in its functionality, totally different than regular universal holding frames. For a simple reason, it has no corner clips. How does that work? See, the key features of that product are: you have quick and easy filter installation without any corner clips. The filter frame can hold header frames, panel filters, combinations of header frames and panel filters, and all that without any adjustment of the clips. What does it bring you? It brings a lot of flexibility because it holds a wide variety of filters.